below there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Expedia Rewards. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to understand is Expedia Rewards is a rewarding way to travel when you create an account with Expedia. It's a free program available to Expedia customers that gives members lower prices on select hotels with member prices. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and get your membership, and once you've done that, you will earn points when you book eligible travels on stage, car rentals, activities, cruises, packages, and even flights. The more points you earn, the more you can use towards future redemption rewards. So for example, there are Expedia Rewards that has 3 tiers: blue, silver, and gold. The higher the level, the better the potential reward. So to simply go ahead and use it, all you need to do is simply, when booking a flight, when you have the points, all you need to do is go ahead and click on pay now and use my rewards. And when you do that, you can simply go ahead and use your codes, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.